Well, what do you do on a morning, Friday morning? Pouring rain. Look at how pretty it is. So what do you do when it's pouring rain? Well, soon I'm sure we're going to crank up some karaoke. Her daughter's still in bed because she has afternoon classes in college today. Son went to school at 7, high school. Our bikes are parked in here. Maria's got all the stuff ready to go to hang out. We had some coffee mocha, some decaf. The dogs are in from playing. And Maria's just doing her thing. And it's not really raining too bad right now, but it comes down to downpours and there's forecasts for lots more. And for south of us, there's tons of rain coming. The poor people down there have been getting flooded out. We really don't have a flood chance here. This place is kind of segregated away from all that. But this is a nice, quiet morning. At home today, there's not much more to do here. Dogs are relaxing. He doesn't like cameras. No cameras for him. Maria doesn't mind camera. She's busy on her phone. And normally during these storms, we get lots of power outages. Yesterday I was in the middle of doing some tax forms. And of course, the power went out. So I quit. But so nice and peaceful and quiet. And we just got a notification, it's 9:30 in the morning, that the schools in Cebulan have been suspended for today. They're sending students home for the oncoming storm. We don't know if they're going to do that for the colleges, but they've done it for the schools in Cebulan. They'll probably do it in Dumaguete too. Because this is supposed to last all day. So I get to watch Maria work all day.
I want to have the rain shower.
She works all day, all night. Comes to bed about 10 or 11.
I love rain shower.
She loves the rain. And then she sits on the phone for an hour or so, then she goes to sleep. She's always working on something. It's pouring rain, but we gotta water the plants. She's trying to rescue these fern plants. She had them sitting out in the sun during construction. Burnt some of the leaves, so she's got them back in the shade now.
Yeah, I have a big one here.
That's the laundry room. Gift CR. Wearing my Rusi shirt. I want that back. You're dribbling on your dog.
Yeah, it's big.
No, I don't have this on fast speed. This is just, she walks like this all day long, all night, back and forth, up and down. Sometimes she'll sit down and have something to eat with me or chat. That's why we go places a lot, so she stops for a while. So it's kind of a quiet video. You can hear the rain. Can't really go to the beach today. Can't really go anywhere unless you want to get really wet. But this area is Maria's command station. This is where she does all her planning work, master planning. She's having her brother come over on Monday to work on some cabinet doors for down below the countertops. where all those pots and pans are and stuff. That's all temporary because we had to have our house christening party. And they went back to work. Now they have time to come back over and do some cabinet work. Which is really nice. They came over last night. I didn't get to see them. They're the ones that bought that piece of property up above. So they stopped by to say hi to Maria. They still live over at another piece of property now. What time are they sending the kids home from schools?
Anytime I'm ready.
Oh, they're ready to close now?
Yeah.
Oh,
The mayor is declared already for traffic suspension.
do they give them homework to do at home?
I don't know, it depends on the teacher and the last
Oh,
teacher or last subject, last subject, that probably know. And then today is the last day in class, it's weekend, Saturday, tomorrow, no classes.
right. Yeah, lucky it's on a Friday, so they're cutting the Friday short. Usually they get out of school at 4, so they only get out of school half a day. But we haven't been doing any extra building or anything, just going places and hanging out. Getting adjusted to quiet life. Back and forth to Dumageddon once in a while. Little two-step with the dog. We'll be starting moving around. It's getting darker, which means it's going to rain more. More. Afternoon class.
No, it was supposed to be our acquaintance party.
You're not going to go today. You heard they called off, Cebulan called off all school today.
Yeah, but not our school.
Not you.
No, the teacher will not release the kids unless guardian or parents will pick them up right now. If nobody can pick them up, so they will release the kids at 11:30. And no return in the afternoon.
Even high school kids
High school.
can't go home by themselves?
Yeah, they can go home by themselves. But the teacher will release at 11:30.
Unless you have a guardian pick them
To
up
pick them up
now.
right now. So they will release the kids.
Why do they have to have a guardian pick them up now and not let them
They
go?
will, the guardian or the parents will sign up the logbook because right now it's under the classes, yeah. Because the suspension leader is late and the kids are there already in their hands.
Yeah.
Teacher's hands. So they don't like to blame if
Oh,
they
yeah.
release right now.
I understand.
Wala ka na lang na kaibigan, ano ko nung siya, kasi yun yung lang. This is good. I like it.
Me too.
What is it?
Chocolate.
Brownie.
Salami. That thing doesn't seem to fit very well. Everybody drops it. Need to get a new top for that. Where you put that round top on top of there?
Fish man to siya. Inita to. Huwag masudan.
Louis is kita video Louis is auto.
Need ka mo sen.
Di ba yung libot ang agi? Sabi lang siya.
Well, thanks for watching this little Friday morning. Just a very quiet day here at the house. We're not traveling today. And we have most of the work done around here. So everything's very quiet. You can see the chickens and roosters are hanging out under the trees. They don't particularly like the rain either. But a nice clean short video. You can't see the mountains. I'm sure we'll liven up. It's only 9:30 in the morning. People will get bored, and then Friday night, I don't know. You never know what happens. If it's too stormy, people won't move around too much. But then again, maybe they will. Talk to you later. Bye.